Over the years, growth in transactional databases and other data sources, as well as their associated systems, have complicated enterprise applications and infrastructure. This, in turn, has complicated and stymied many organizations' ability to meet the needs of the business, whether that is timely access to analytics, the ability to absorb new business models, or to create new, streamlined business processes. In response, SAP has rewritten and simplified its applications to take advantage of its in-memory business platform. This new and unique enterprise application is called SAP S/4HANA. It removes previous technological barriers and helps companies manage complexity and run simple across the digital value chain. What is SAP S/4HANA? SAP S/4HANA is a business suite offering that is built on an in-memory computing platform called SAP HANA. Previously, SAP products were designed to run on any database platform, including those from Oracle, Microsoft, and IBM. SAP S/4HANA is SAP's next-generation business suite, designed to help organizations run simple in a digital and networked world. SAP HANA offers in-memory data platform that's best suited for performing real-time analytics and developing real-time applications. Powered by numerous processors and advanced hardware server technology. At the core of this real-time data platform is the SAP HANA database, which is fundamentally different than any other database engine in the market today. It uses both row and column-based database technology. Therefore, it provides real-time insights, including dashboard report. Organizations can reduce the complexity of their systems with S/4HANA because the platform integrates people, devices, big data, and business networks in real time. SAP has said that the SAP HANA platform can potentially save an organization 37% across hardware, software, and labor costs. SAP S/4HANA is designed to drive business innovation with simplicity by connecting people, devices, and business networks in real time to support the development of new business models. It will also help accelerate the on-ramp to Internet of Things and big data. The simplified data model allows customers to reimagine their IT, helping to drive lower costs and deliver IT efficiency. Some of the key innovations of SAP S/4HANA are reduced manufacturing cycle time with streamlined material flow for internal requirements, MRP, augmented reactivity with real-time monitoring of production orders regarding flow and critical issues, improved operational decisions with easy simulation of supply alternatives, lower procurement costs with standard integration to the Ariba Business Network, better customer service with new sales order fulfillment cockpit for instantly identifying bottlenecks and issues. New cloud, mobile, and in-memory technology are making instant insight and instant action on everyday reality, any place, anytime. Change happens in real time, and businesses need to be able to respond in real time to deliver true value to their customers. This demands swift handling of the ever-growing mountains of data available to influence and drive core business processes. SAP has put real-time business within reach with SAP S/4HANA. This next-generation platform unifies the lightning-fast analytics of SAP HANA with transactions, enabling enterprises to gather and process data while simultaneously applying it to consecutive business process, all in real time. Some additional benefits of SAP S/4HANA are in-memory RAM computing platform, combines row and column-based structure, combines database, application processing, and integration service on a single platform. Data resides in RAM, not on hard disk anymore. Data execution and reporting became faster. SAP based the architecture of R3 on a 3-tier client-server model: presentation server, application server, database server. The presentation server is actually a program which is commonly known as SAP GUI, or the user interface. The interface accepts input from the user in the form of keystrokes, mouse clicks, and function keys, and sends these requests to the application server to be processed. The application server sends the results back to the SAP GUI, which then formats the output for display to the user. An application server is a set of executables that collectively interpret the ABAP programs and manage the input and output for them. The database server is a set of executables that accept database requests from the application server. These requests are passed on to the Relation Database Management System, or RDBMS, which then sends back the information to application server, and it is eventually displayed on the presentation server, or SAP GUI. Before, the database is largely used to store data only. To query the data, especially for large queries, it brings the data back to the application server for processing. A huge amount of time is spent on executing this in the application server, as the application server was doing calculations, exclusions, checking records, etc. Now, SAP S/4HANA is architectured solely for massive innovations and simplifications. The in-memory appliance, which is aimed at data analytics, is a combination of hardware and software and delivers an optimized results mainly because the application layer is completely removed. The models are sitting directly on top of the database layers, providing users an ultimate real-time experience using SAP Fiori as a new user interface. So, why businesses are switching to SAP S/4HANA? Some of the reasons includes: it resolves big data issue. Now data is stored in RAM. Transaction and analytical processing run on the same platform. Reports availability is significantly quick. Database is providing more flexibility by switching from traditional row-based structure to the new row and column-based structure. Innovation in ERP world, it is the latest. More surprises to come, such as simple production, simple warehousing, etc. Lesser turnaround time means real-time decisions and saves time and money. There are so many SAP HANA success stories. If you are interested to know more about SAP HANA success stories, visit this link. This is a complete structure of SAP S/4HANA, which contains servers where actual data runs, such as index server, name server, pre-processing server, statistics server, and the XS engine. Most important server of these 5 servers is index server. All these servers can be accessed using the web server, HANA Client Library, and the XS engine resides between the web server and the index server. Pre-processing server, name server, and statistics server resides at the bottom layer. Although, as a SAP Simple Finance functional consultant, you don't need to know these servers, since this is more of a technical area, but it's just for your convenience. Later in this course, we will take a deeper look at these servers and try to understand their functionalities. The SAP HANA real-time replication option provides technologies for replicating data in real time from any source system to the SAP HANA database, like trigger-based data replication using SAP LT Replication Server, log-based data replication technology by SAP Replication Server, and session-based synchronization using SAP HANA Remote Data Sync. Some of the key factors are: replicates and absorbs structured data from SAP and non-SAP relational databases, applications, and other systems. Data replication are 1. Trigger-based, 2. ETL-based, or 3. Log-based. Replicated data is stored in RAM, no more hard drive storage. Real-time access by BI system, layer that sits on top of S/4HANA. This is the end of an overview of SAP S/4HANA. This is a part of SAP Simple Finance certification, so you know it is a very important chapter. We now hope that you have a good understanding of SAP S/4HANA and how it works, including technical details. Let's take a look at our next topic, which is HANA deployment and architecture. See you in the next topic.